Let's face it, sales today can feel like an uphill battle. Getting noticed is harder than ever, whether you're making cold calls or sending out endless emails. Buyers are overloaded, and standing out in a crowded inbox just isn't enough anymore. Enter Event Anywhere, the sales tool that lets you cut through the noise. With Event Anywhere, you can share personalized videos and screencasts directly with your prospects. They can instantly call you if you're available, or even self-serve to book a meeting at their convenience. But it doesn't stop there. Host webinars to reach even more prospects, see who registered, who's online, and who attended your live stream. And after your talk, take advantage of virtual networking in our unique Expo Hall, connecting with prospects face-to-face. Learn more at eventanywhere.com.